take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just to be and live my life. Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh.
So I'm getting chicken breast. I'm over here grocery shopping online, and I'm getting chicken breast. This is 3 pounds. I'm trying to see how much pounds this is. It's 4 pounds for 12. And then I got 5 pounds right here. I usually like to get it fresh. I think I'm gonna wait to get it from Sam's Club because I can get more for my money. So I'm gonna write this down for Sam's Club. But it's like $2 extra. So far, this is what I have on my list. I'm gonna come back and show y'all. So far, this is what I have. Got 2 of those because we love chicken patties, y'all. I got some ground beef. You see how this junk that went up? $42.94 for ground beef. This is absolutely ridiculous. And I always get 2 of these as well. So I'm trying to think of all the things I need to get. Guys, so I have a Walmart haul. I'm gonna start over here. I have a 12 count of cream cheese and strawberry toaster strudels. I have some pumpkin cookie dough, it's 20. I got 3 chocolate chip cookie doughs. I have some seasoning salt. I have 3 dark kidney beans, 3 cans of it, 3 cans of 3 chili beans. Let's 6 cans of family size corn, whole corn. I have this Norris beef bouillon powder. I like to use this to make my gravies. We got pot roast seasoning mix, beef stew seasoning mix. It's a bunch of 3 pot roast seasoning mix and 3 beef stew seasoning mix. We have this popping oil. I got some popcorn seasoning, 4 cheese. And we got white cheddar popcorn seasoning. A 5-pound bag of jasmine rice, and this is a 2-pound bag of jasmine rice. We have 2 of these fully cooked chicken breast patties. These are the regular ones, great value. The great value has spicy chicken patties. I get the spicy chicken patties instead of the Tyson, but they only had the Tyson spicy chicken patties. So yeah, it's 2 of those. Green's biscuit, 20 count. 2 gallons of milk, a 10-pound bag of ground beef, and 2 bags of chicken party moon mix. It's 8 pounds a piece, and yeah, they are flats and drumettes, and that's it for this haul, guys. So I have an Amazon haul, y'all. The box, the person who packed my box, they had this stuff in there all kind of ways, and this how my freaking cereal box turned out. But anyways, we got a giant size of Frosted Flakes. We have 2 of these Amazon grocery apple juices. They were pretty good the last time we got them, so I got some more. I love Blue Plate mayonnaise, and they had it on sale, so I just went ahead and grabbed that. I grabbed another one yesterday, so we got 2 of those. And my kids like to make tuna, so I love to have tuna for them. I love to have a lot of mayo for them. I have 2 Amazon grocery, 2 pounds of long grain jasmine rice. I have 2 of these Zatarans 1 pot red beans and rice. I thought that these were the family size. I didn't read it good. That's my fault. Anyways, I got Chef Boyardee. These went down. I should have got an extra one, but I didn't. I got a 3-pack of Jiffy peanut butter. I got some Amazon Savor seasoning salt. I got some Lipton onion mushroom soup mix. I have 2 cream of mushrooms and 1 cream of chicken. And I have candy corn, and that's it for this haul, guys.